Friends, welcome to this interesting video on the concepts of value, price, and cost in the context of investing. I have another video uh, on similar theme, value, price, and cost, but the context there is not investing, it is something else. So do explore that video too. Welcome to this video. Value from the perspective of investing in very simple words means the potential of an investment opportunity to generate returns superior to our expectation or benchmark. That's a very simple way of defining value. But remember, value needs to be estimated. And there are many techniques to do so. I have, of course, discussed those methods in different videos, and I'll also share those links in the description box. But remember, value is not an objective concept. It needs to be estimated, and therefore value is subjective. Since value needs to be estimated as it is subjective, the judgment of different people would vary. That is the very reason why at any point of time there are buyers and sellers in the market simultaneously. Price is what is prevailing right now. It is objective. Cost is the price that we paid historically. Cost is important because that's the price that we paid historically sometime. But that should not be in our focus when it comes to investing. Most investors take decision to either invest or to divest, which means to sell, based on their historical records of price and cost. But remember, the right thing to do is to invest by looking at value versus price. That is the only paradigm that is relevant. Quite often what happens is because people are focused on the current price and they compare with the cost that they have incurred in the past, which was the prevailing price at some point of time, they take decisions such as averaging to bring down the cost, right? Or they may get into a panic mode because the price has fallen much below the cost, and therefore they may get into selling that particular stock or share, right? But the right thing to do is to really compare the current price with our best estimate of value. Cost is definitely a good information, but it's not relevant for our investing decisions because it's historical fact. So the prudence demands that we don't get guided by the cost. We should buy an asset if in our estimate value is much more than the price which is prevailing today. And we should sell an asset if the price is far more than the value in our estimate. For more such videos, do explore our channel, Dr. Abhijit Fadnis.